Hi, good afternoon. My name is Sanupam Gambhir. I am from Stair Experts. We're standing inside RD City. This location connects you to the main Gujarat City Centre, the South City 2 Mall and the SS Plaza. Today the plot size is 300 square yards, which is a 4-bedroom hall kitchen. That's the configuration of the house. Let's get started. This is the formal living cum dining space of the house. It's quite huge. On the flooring, you've got the dining wall done. If you talk about the ceiling, you've got two ceiling designs. This one has a normal engineered wood on the sides of the ceiling design with LED strip lights. You've got the air conditioning system. Couple of provisioning kara hua hai. Aesthetic wallpaper mein wall pe. This is it's a wallpaper. That side wall is left empty for your customization. This ceiling design has a grouping inside it. On the roof or corners पे पूरा engineered wood है. You can also see the square shape LED lights. This has the provisioning for the air conditioning system once again. You've got the modular switches. This specific formal living cum dining space is also connected with the balcony in the front. This has a huge glass size window which will help the natural sunlight to flow inside the house. This property is a park facing property. This is the nature. That's the park. This also, when we talk about the surface of the balcony area, this is all granite counter stone. You've got the granite का पूरा railing है आपका इधर में. Air conditioning system का externals कहाँ पर place होगा ये सारा का सारा आपको provisioning दिया हुआ है. You have the LED lights placed on the roof of the ceiling. And this is a metal railing. You've got the galvanization done. Now you also have the tap area which is this way, and there is a drainage vessel as well. Now, as you can see, this is the formal living cum dining space of the property. Let's get inside to cover the first bedroom of the house from here. This is the first bedroom. Once we enter inside the first bedroom, the first thing that you get an attempt is the closet section. This is the tiling work done on the surface. You've got the wallpaper on the left wall. The ceiling design stays rectangular in shape, which has LED strip lights. And you've got a fan by Crompton. This is the washroom space connected with the first bedroom of the house. A beautiful vanity given to you here. This is a beautiful vanity given to you out here, which has a deep wash basin sink by Roca. And the cabinetries down here, you've got a geyser placed by Crompton. That's your exhaust fan. And this is a beautiful glass given to you inside this wing. You've got the anti-skid tiles on the surface, designer tiles on the walls and rain head on the ceiling. But this also has the provisioning done for the air conditioning system, where you can place your air conditioning units as well. Just give me one moment. This is the balcony space outside that we showed you once. This remains the same. This also has a fixed glass window which will help the sunlight to flow inside the house. Now, let's cover the second bedroom of the house. This is the second bedroom of the house, which is bang opposite to the first one, and in the center is got the formal living dining space. The first thing that you attempt here is the complete closet section. This is the closet section. This is your compact space. Right wall has a wallpaper. This wall is left empty for your customization. This is the grouping done. This is the air conditioning system का आपका unit है. ऊपर में ceiling में आपको grouping दी हुई है. You've got a rectangular ceiling design which has LED recessed lights. And again you've got a fan by Crompton. This is again your wardrobe section. This is your washroom space. You've got a huge glass by Modi Guard. This is 5 mm glass. Anti-skid tiles on the surface. Designer tiles on the walls. Geyser by Crompton, wall mount commode seat, a vanity by Roca, natural Italian stone, which has cabinetries underneath. And this is a channel given for the shower area. This is your shower area. You've got a wall mount rain head. you've got the ceiling design which has corners, gripping done on the corners. This also has a drainage vessel. This is the shaft, and that's your exhaust fan by Crompton. Now, this first bedroom is also connected with the balcony. This second is also connected with the same balcony. This complete balcony shares the space with your second, first and the formal living space. So, this was the discussion about the second bedroom. Let's get to the third one. This is here, this is the third bedroom of the house. This has the tiling work on the surface. Left side you see a huge glass which is helping the sunlight to flow inside and the natural light in the daytime. This is something where the wallpaper will be placed. You've got the air conditioning system का पूरा provisioning है. This is the ceiling design in a rectangular shape. That's a complete closet section. This is the washroom space. We've got a huge multi-guard glass once again, a round shaped vanity by American standard. This is a natural granite stone, a thick quality granite stone. You've got the cabinetries and you've got the commode seat by American standard. This is the sanitary fittings are all by Jaguar. You've got the wall mount rain head. This glass stands still for the wet and the dry area. And you've got a fan here, exhaust fan that side. That was all about the third bedroom washroom. And this is also connected to the balcony in the back side. Back side of the balcony is quite nice. You've got the geyser placed by Orino Crompton. That's the placing for the geyser. That's your drainage vessel. On the surface you've got the granite stone. This is the galvanization done on the metal. At the back to back you've got a houses out here. उधर की तरफ एक बारी दिखा दीजिए. रोटेट करके वहाँ पर सारा वायरिंग वर्क है, एक्सटर्नल है. आइए प्लीज. This was the third bedroom of the house. This is the fourth bedroom now. We've got the tiling work on the surface. Left wall stays empty. Right wall has a thick wallpaper. Forward wall has a provisioning of the air conditioning system. The ceiling design stays square in shape with LED recessed strip lights. It's got some of the few LED lights as well. And this is the same balcony that we've showed you before. It's connected. At the back side, nothing much to showcase. Now, this is your closet section. This is your washers area, your washroom. That's your glass by Modi Guard, a square shape vanity by Jaguar, granite stone, cabinetries, wall mount commode seat, running shelf, anti-skid tiles on the surface, designer tiles on the walls, and you've got a wall mount rain head. I'm sorry, this is a ceiling rain head that you'll get, and this is Orient ka exhaust fan, and this electric fittings are by Jaguar. This was all about the last bedroom, which is the fourth one. Let's cover the kitchen space. This is my hallway area. This is a beautiful kitchen. This is the tiling work done on the walls. This is a designer texture tiles which has a beveled diamond cut. This is the placing for your refrigerator. A normal granite countertop, natural stone. This is stain-free, durable. Hob and chimneys by CAF. You've got the highlighted tiles at the back side. Cabinet storage goes in like this. And this is complete your storage system. This way you can keep your oven. This is the place where you can park your OTG. His and her. This is going to be a dual sink. You can actually wash your utensils. Some of the work is still happening, so we apologize for the inconvenience. This will get rectified within a couple of few days. This is the utility balcony, the back side. You've got the tap, you've got the drainage vessel, everything lies out here. So this also has a proper ventilation. Possibly if I'm cooking food for my own self, I would not mind opening the door for the ventilation. This will help me to breathe the pure oxygen. Still, you've got an exhaust fan which is going to act as a ventilated duct for you. The ceiling design stays simple. This is the ceiling design. It stays simple. You've got the recessed LED strip lights inside the ceiling. A beautiful kitchen that I would say all together. Now finally time to sign off. Thank you so very much for watching us. Don't forget to click on the bell icon for the notification and give us a thumbs up. Thank you.